Good morning. So today is 23rd July 2020. So the Hindu News open page. Supreme Court will hear today Rajasthan Speaker's plea against High Court order. Only read the static from the Lakshmikant. That means the anti-defection law and the electoral process. GS paper 2. Then come the number 2. India, China not to use UAVs at friction points. GS paper 2. Then come the editorial page. Justice slow but sure. GS paper 2. Then another front. GS paper 2. Set up a high court for Puducherry. GS paper 2. Are people in Jammu and Kashmir citizens or subjects? GS paper 2 and 3 both. That means if you take it from the legislative point of view, that is the GS paper 2, and if you take it as a science and technology data protection, that is from the GS paper 3. Transforming higher education. GS paper 2. Then the news page, Prime Minister Modi invites US firms to invest in India. GS paper 3. Then India US should work together to face China. GS paper 2. US needs to go beyond alliance. Jaishankar. GS paper 2. India records highest single day recoveries. GS paper 2. Fiscal push after vaccine. Chief Economic Advisor. GS paper 3. 24% Rajya Sabha members face criminal cases. GS paper 2 and 4 both, because if you take it as a probity in governance, then it will come under GS paper 2 and also in the ethics paper. Then the World Indian Origin Nurse in Singapore gets award. GS paper 2. Then India will have to deliver COVID-19 vaccine on a scale never seen before. GS paper 2. Then come the business page. Focus on terms, not the data or number. Tyagi calls for the unified bond market. Moods GSS in demand. GS paper 3 economy section, but please focus on the terms, not the number or data. E-platforms must be sensitive to defense privacy concerns. GS paper 3. Then the T-board to try out new auction system. GS paper 3. Then last page, the live page. Madhubani artist turns mask man of Bihar. This is from the GS paper 1. The art and culture Madhubani painting.